Alright, so for...
Your name is?
Oh, okay, I guess if you want to start that way too. Hi, my name is Thomas Reece, and I am a member of the CSP class during third hour.
Wow. Woo!
So my game, well, to introduce it, it is a game that I made this morning because last night I took a hard look at my game that I was making, realized I hated it, scrapped everything, removed the file, and then remade this all during first hour today. So,
which is something you never admit to a teacher.
So I like this one better, and it is more of a simple game, and the whole premise of it is that you have a timer counting down, and you have to collect all of the fruit before it hits 0. And the different colored fruit does different things. Like the yellow one gives you more time, the green one adds more points. And I think the most that I've ever had someone get is like 53 at one point. And yeah. Kind of a...
Okay. We're forgetting to have people play the game, so.
Oh.
Who do you want to have play the game?
You know what, Dane, since you raised your hand, I think you can go. You got it. I believe in you.
Dane,
I'm about to put up a 54.
Dane likes to play games.
I do like to play games. They're fun. Alright, let's go. I feel pretty good about this.
So you get what, 20 points if you hit the...
20 points if you hit the green apple, and the yellow apple gives you more time.
Yo, this is kind of hard. 53, is that like old?
52.
Oh!
Come on, Dave.
It is gambling.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
Gamble your time.
He's moving now, he's moving now.
That sounds fun.
I'm missing all the good ones.
I think the key is to gobble as much as you can.
54. That's all I needed.
Gobble as much as you can, and then grab the time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
time thing.
you gotta.
You gotta be strategic.
Yeah. Okay, nice job.
Maybe I should